Hey guys, welcome back to the Laguna Workshop series. If you haven't already, go check out our first video where we made the Santa countdown sign. For this video, we'll be creating a fun and festive reindeer Christmas ornament. This is a quick and simple project you can easily make on your CO2 laser. Let's get started. We're starting by opening up Lightburn. I already have the vector design ready for download as a DXF file. Let's import the file and get started. Once the file is imported, we'll separate the layers for engraving and cutting. The project has two main operations, engraving the text and cutting the reindeer. I'll start by selecting the text. Here's a few bucks for Christmas, and assigning it to the blue layer, which is set for engraving. The reindeer cutout will be assigned to the black layer, set for cutting. Next, I'm going to remove the nose from the vector, as we'll cut that separate from red acrylic. Once the nose is removed, I will highlight the vector and use the preview tool to check that everything is set to engrave and cut as planned. When everything looks good, I'll highlight the vector again and save it as an RD file, naming it something like Buck Engraved Cut. Now, I'll bring the nose back into the design, remove the reindeer, and repeat the same steps to save the nose file. For the nose, we'll cut it out of red acrylic with double-sided adhesive for an easy assembly. And there you have it, a fun reindeer ornament with a playful message. Perfect for Christmas gifting. The text is engraved on the reindeer, and the red acrylic nose adds a festive touch. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your creations. If you'd like to download this project or learn more about our CO2 lasers, check out our website. From all of us here, we hope these projects bring some holiday cheers to you and your family. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of our creative community this year. Wishing you a joyful and happy holiday season. And we can't wait to see you again next year with more exciting projects. Happy holidays.